she already gave me a fork. That's sweet.
Wasting the planet.
I know. We got Hawaiian time.
Hawaiian time.
Should we do a thumbnail with this? You know what I
Yeah.
want to do?
Oh yes.
Hold up.
Oh,
Oh my God, this is
okay,
a
they
lot.
gave me.
They gave
Wait,
you
what
what?
size did you get?
She got the Ali.
Oh.
I got the regular.
Oh my God, it's gonna fall.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Okay, what should we talk about, y'all? Unpopular opinions, go.
Ooh.
This is a lot of rice, okay.
I don't know.
My phone all over.
Tito, you start. An unpopular opinion.
Okay, you guys start because I don't know. Olivia, you start.
Me start.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, Billie Eilish is not that good.
Oh, Billie Eilish.
You better
Sorry,
hope never
I'm like-
fans see this.
I'm like not a fan of her, not gonna lie. Like, I'm just not into her music. You know what I'm saying?
There's just one thing I saw, and it's so true. It's what was it? Because people say like, oh, no opinion is wrong. Opinions can be wrong if they're like hurting others, like, you know, racist opinions.
True.
Just saying. I don't know. I feel like people are ignorant nowadays about that. But like, that's just me. Okay, Tito, we did one.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Okay. Remember we saw Elf? Okay. I don't think it's as good as like people say it is.
Okay, Christmas is over. We're not talking about that. I'm just kidding. I like prefer Polar Express over.
I prefer Grinch. Just saying. I think Grinch is good.
I only like the cartoon one.
Yeah. Well, I also like Jim Carrey.
He's okay.
You better hope his fans don't see this either.
Come at me.
Oh. Okay, moving on.
What?
Oh,
Is this teriyaki sauce or what is this? Like soy sauce?
teriyaki. That's really good. Let's see what else. Like, I save these for like other meals too. That's how good it is.
Oh, what did everyone get? There you go. Wait, did we all get the same
Yeah.
thing?
Yeah. 3 things you wish you knew in high school.
Tito, go first.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, not worry too much about stuff. Cause I worry like about like the smallest thing ever. I worry too much.
That's one.
I don't know. Probably like I should have like been more talkative in the beginning. I like really quiet.
Yeah, I know.
I'm not sure what the third.
Okay, we'll come back to you, Olive.
I guess. Oh, okay. That test scores do matter, but like they don't matter that much, I guess. Actually, that's a lie. They matter. That you're gonna find a lot of snakes in high school and a lot of toxic people, and it's important to know who those people are. You know who I'm talking about. And that's the cheat. That you're not gonna have the same friends. That it's important to branch out to meet new people. And that try and get a good GPA freshman year, because it's gonna make all the other years easier.
Well, it depends on your classes too, and your work ethic as you go on. But
That too. Okay, your turn.
Ooh, why'd I ask this? let's see, one thing I learned. You guys had good one thing. Well, I like what you said that you're not gonna have the same friends forever.
Even after
Or-
high school.
Or even during, like, you could have a whole new friend group the like sophomore year after freshman year. Second thing, really enjoy it. Like, you don't have to enjoy academic stuff, but enjoy like your friends now, or like go to events like football games and basketball games, and at least like one dance. And then third one, oof, I don't know. I had these all down, but now I don't.
I'll say my third one.
Okay.
My voice.
Don't choke.
I'm choking. Probably like just like be careful with people, like intentions, like they're like Olivia said, they're kind of snakes. Like sometimes like they'll just take advantage of you. Yeah, there's a lot of that in high school.
And they'll use you.
They'll use
It's not
you.
fun.
Oh, my third thing. Because of that, I was always like, oh, I'm not gonna do things for people anymore now. But I think if that happens to you, you shouldn't like let someone else's choices change your heart for others. Because eventually you will find good friends along. It just takes a while sometimes. That was deep.
Let's go something happier. What's like your goals in 10 years? Or like, what would you like to do?
I would like to be moved out.
Yeah.
I'll be 28, so let's hope we're all moved out.
well, actually, I'll be 29. So.
Yeah, she'll be 29 because her birthday is this Sunday, the 5th. Another goal, I would like to have at least one relationship. Who knows?
That's why you have seeking arrangements.
I don't go on that. I told you
Don't
before about
lie.
that. I would like to own 2 dogs by then. Ooh, I really hope we'll still know each other so we can remake this video in 10 years.
Yes.
Okay, all of you too.
Okay. I hope to be not in Oregon.
Oh, I was going.
Have a stable job. Maybe be in a relationship. I'm in one now, but like we don't know where that's going yet.
Cut that out.
Have like an apartment or a house. Yeah.
For me, it's like probably like move out, like travel to, like somewhat the world, like some places, and then have a job that I like. Because I know like a lot of like people don't get the jobs they want, or they get it like later in the years, like when they're 40s. So yeah.
Oh, another thing, I want to like do like a charity event, or like go to like places that don't have as good as we do here in America. Oh, I want to build a school in a different country, at least in 10 years.
Well, you're Mormon. You can do it.
You don't have to be a part of it. Oh my gosh, whatever. Moving on.
Have any of you had toxic friends?
Of course, I think we're all gonna have toxic friends once in our lifetime at least.
Yeah, probably. Well, like indirectly, like they gave negative vibes, like, you know. Like it wasn't like not always positive.
True.
Have you?
You really just asked that?
Yeah, you did. Oh, another thing. Sometimes
Oh.
Sometimes in life, you might be the toxic one. Wouldn't you guys agree sometimes?
No. I'm perfect.
What did you say?
Ew. I said sometimes in life, sometimes in relationships, you might be the toxic one. You might not be now, but you might be in the past, or you might be in the future.
What are you saying, Zoe?
Nothing. I'm just saying, growth is a decision, and you have to grow Yeah. I don't know where I was going with that. But,
Okay.
oh yeah, growth is a decision. That's true. I read that the other day.
She gets all of her quotes from the internet.
It's Instagram.
Also, like, I want to go, like, live, like, temporarily in, like, a beach, like, in a beach
Yeah.
town.
Or have a beach house.
Something like that. Like, in LA or something warm, not in Oregon.
Ooh. I don't know if I'm gonna be married in 10 years yet.
I don't know either.
My goal was to get married before 27
Really?
and have kids before 30, but
Dang.
things change, guys.
Things happen.
Also, like, times happen, like, differently.
Yeah. This chair, it's not me. I hate this chair. That's another question. Ooh. Use 3 words describing yourself.
Tina, go first.
Mike. Let's change it. Let's describe each other.
Oh, okay.
Ah,
2 words.
That's smart.
Cause like I don't
2
know.
words?
2 words or something. Cause like you can't like you might think of yourself in a way, but you're actually not.
That's true. And plus, you don't want to be like cocky, so you'd
Yeah.
say like, "Oh yeah."
I'm amazing. I'm just kidding.
And like, everyone's like, oh yeah.
Okay, Olive and me will describe Tito first.
Okay.
2 words each. Let's see. You're very friendly, and you're very. I think you're very hardworking. Okay, oh, Olive. She's like stupid.
You can use the same words also.
No. That's the rule we have to follow. You can't do the same thing. Okay. I say you're very social. I'd say right now. Like in high school, you were especially social when you were like running for ASB president.
Not physical running, but we don't run in this group.
But yeah, I'd say you were social, definitely. And then I think you're funny.
That's good. Okay, I'll do Olivia first.
Okay.
Honestly, I think you're really nice.
I'd hope so, because we're all friends.
And then I don't know. I think you're kind of a creative person. I don't know.
I thought you were gonna say I'm crazy.
Oh,
I was
no.
like, oh, okay.
That's my word for you.
No. She's very energetic.
What?
You're energetic.
Oh, okay. I'll take it.
That's like 3 words. Okay.
Oh, what?
Yeah, he said 3 things: energetic, creative, and nice.
Okay.
And friendly. That's it. Okay, now Zoe.
No, he did 4 words. That's 2 from each of us. I think you're very passionate about a lot of things, so that's nice.
That's the
And-
Capricorn in me.
I take it back.
It's Capricorn season, ladies and gentlemen.
I think you're very bold.
Okay.
That was a good
Those
one.
are not the words I was expecting for some reason.
Yeah, see,
But-
that's why we're doing it for each other.
I would have said, oh, and then we should, after we're done with this, we should go through and say what we thought we would say.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, Zoe, I'll go first. Even though I'm not already talking. Ma'am, this is a mukbang.
You can't burp and move on.
First off, disgusting.
Thanks, I want to be just like you.
Okay, no, I think, like Tito, you're funny.
Thank you. Well, you can't use the same words.
No, but for
Okay, fine, I'll just do more.
Okay.
I think you're...
Wow, really?
What's the word? No. I'm trying to think of the word. You're very forgiving. Yeah. Well, that was a good one.
That was.
Okay. Pat on my back. Okay. And then, but yeah, you're a very forgiving person. and you give people a lot of chances who sometimes don't deserve chances, but we won't spill that tea.
That's for a different video. Different channel.
For our cookies.
Yeah. Cookie video.
Tea time. Okay. And then I think you're also very kind-hearted.
Thank you.
Thank
Tell
you.
Nicole now.
Next.
I know. I think like she was always like really charismatic.
That's
Like
a good word.
honestly, like I don't know. You can get like you can talk to anyone and they'll laugh. You'll make someone like laugh, and that's like something that some people don't have. Like sometimes you're like so awkward. Like for me, on some occasions, I'm like when I meet people, like I'm just like I'm a little quiet. So that's like a really good thing.
Oh,
And then
charismatic.
I think you're really.
Hmm?
Did you leave the butter out?
Yeah, it's right behind us.
Okay. Okay, sorry. I was like, the butter has to be softened in like room temperature, so. Okay, sorry.
And then another word. I don't know. Just like you just give good good vibes.
You're very positive.
You're
person.
positive,
Thank you.
and
Take it back. Just kidding. That's it.
That's so sweet.
Okay. So what did you think people were gonna say about you now? Sorry, you go first.
I thought just funny and witty. I've been called witty before because of my comebacks. I just thought, I guess I'm witty. So, what about you?
I had a good word. No, I like can't remember it. I think I said like,
You want?
do you not like the mac salad?
Hmm.
What?
You want?
No.
Okay, then quiet.
But like what? Tino, you literally didn't have to get the side. You could have just
No.
eaten hers.
I didn't even know
My
I
bad.
didn't know it included the salad. So
Did you not read the signs up there?
no.
It said on the plate, mac, and then rice, and then the chicken.
What? I think I thought you were gonna say that I was just very like hardworking, I guess. I don't know.
Do you?
Okay.
You aren't. For me, it's like I don't know, probably awkward.
Awkward?
Yeah.
I don't think you're awkward.
Not anymore.
We don't tell them that. Well, what was a word or a description you guys weren't expecting from each other and all of it, between us?
From you, passionate.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
You don't think I have a bad?
Energetic.
Oh, not energetic. That one, yeah.
I didn't think you guys were saying I was sociable.
I think you are. Maybe you're not as loud as others, but like you're social.
In a way, you're social though.
Yeah.
Zoe?
I didn't expect forgiving. That's a good one. I like that one.
Our text messages.
I feel like people have to like know you close
Yeah.
to know that.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
There's another one. Charismatic. I wasn't expecting that. So thank you. That was a good one.
Good talk.
Ooh.
There's a lot to eat. Ooh. They give you a lot of rice.
You didn't even eat. Oh. That was a lot to eat. 2 bites.
That was not 2 bites. You should have seen the portion sizes of these.
Another question. Ooh, what do you want to do when you guys are retired one day?
Travel.
Tito?
Move to like go off the grid for like a year.
Really?
Ooh.
Like no internet. Well, maybe internet, but like no social
That's
media.
not going off the grid.
Just to talk to people so you give updates?
Yeah, to give updates and
Yeah.
stuff like that. Like I would have a TV to watch TV shows because like being off the grid can be boring. Not gonna lie. But yeah. What would you do?
I said I wanted to open my own ice cream shop one day. Because that'd be pretty cool.
You should do wine shaped ice.
Oh, I should. I'm gonna do everything in my
Since
ice cream
you know.
shop.
I also want to like open a school. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll build it. You open it.
And I profit.
I don't know. I feel like some things with like school should be managed differently. I don't know.
Yeah, a lot of things should. Actually, everything.
Oh my god,
should.
this is a 20-minute mukbang. Wow.
That's usually how long they are.
Really?
I've seen. There's some that are like an hour long.
Yeah.
This is like unedited. Sometimes they're like not.
Yeah, that's true.
We should make the cookies now.
Okay. Well, now you gotta do an outro, remember?
Oh yeah.
YouTuber, hello. Okay. Do the outro.
And
No, that's not the outro. It's like, thanks for watching. Okay.
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Other videos.
Other video.
Comment down below what
Comment.
you liked.
Yeah. Follow us on our social medias. We'll have them linked down below.
And goodbye.
Bye.
No, break the video.
Oh, okay. I was closing
That
out.
was very aggressive. Okay, you can close off now. I just
And there.
end scene.